Hello and welcome to Com 712 Quantitative Analysis and Communication. It's Dr. Spates here giving you one of your final weekly checklists. We are in week 16 of our semester. We are winding down. We are just a couple weeks away from the end of the semester, and so I just want to give you a few announcements as we begin to wrap up spring 2018. One of the first things that I want to notify you about is that our course reading for this week, chapter 22, it is canceled. Please do not worry about finishing that that chapter. We were going to do a small discussion group on it, but at this point, I know many of you are would rather focus on your final papers, and so I hear you, I understand you, and we will move forward with that in mind. So there is no course reading due. There is no discussion board due. Instead, I will be presenting to all of you a video in which I will be talking about and discussing presenting research. I feel that this is very important. Many of you are doing papers. Some of you will do these, some of you will present these papers, will present papers in the future to complete your program, and some of you may want to present these papers in other classes. And so I just want to give you some information about what it means to present research, how to do it at the graduate level. There is a specific way that we do it, especially for communication styles, and just kind of let you in on what the expectations are. They are much higher than they were in the undergrad program. I'll be uploading a video for that this week, so please look out for that. And I will also encourage you to use this video as a reference for future classes, upcoming classes where you will be required to do a presentation or for your program completion. Some of you may be doing seminar papers or presenting in person. So as you complete, I would like for you to use this video as a resource so that you know how to properly present research and do it successfully. In addition to that, I also want to remind you that your final paper is due on Monday, May 7th. You have until 11:59 as always to complete that. And so just keep that in mind. So you are going to be wrapping up this semester fairly soon. Continue doing great work. The previews that I've seen of your papers, the check-ins that I've done with all of you have really been going well. And so just finish this last stretch, finish strong, and you will almost be at the finish line. As always, I welcome your questions. So please go ahead and begin setting up an appointment, sending an email if need be. Remember, because this is an online format class, it is absolutely acceptable for you to send multiple emails or for you to send emails back to back. It is okay. That takes the place of what we would normally do in a classroom setting, which is kind of raise the hand and get a quick answer. So feel free. You're not bothering me. You're not annoying me in any way. And just know that I do want to hear from you and I do want to do my best to make sure that I answer your questions. So set up an appointment. We can set up a Zoom conference or we can meet in person. I am available to do that and I welcome those opportunities. I wish you a great week 16. We are almost there. We can almost see the finish line. Keep working hard, keep doing your best, and it will almost be over in just a little bit, okay? Continue keeping up the great work. I am proud of all of you, and I appreciate your patience with me as well. And I will see you next week where we will finish off the semester by submitting your final papers. Have a great week 16.